Talking about GBPJPY, so as we see, we recently saw this change in structure, and after this pullback and mitigation of the supply, we saw another break of structure. And I think GBPJPY still has downside potential. So the only suggestion for this pair should be any proper pullback is another opportunity to short this pair again, at least to target the lows here, these two equal lows. So any correction is next opportunity to sell on GJ. There's nothing I can see where price can reverse from. It's all bearish, and I think until and unless this high remain intact as per current structure, I think GJ will remain bearish. So that's all for GJ.